building, in the rebuilding process that we are going through as a nation.
I have the privilege of presenting one of our national heroes, Iliesa Delana, with his new home. To Mr. Delana, on behalf of the government and the people of Fiji, I once again convey to you our profound gratitude for the great honor you have bestowed upon Fiji with your gold medal performance at the Paralympic Games in London. As all Fijians are all aware, sports and athletics have a remarkable ability to inspire, but just as importantly, they have a remarkable ability to unite. Mr. Delana, you have done both for Fiji. You have inspired us with your accomplishment, and you have united us in pride for our country. By becoming the first Fijian to win an Olympic medal, you delivered to your fellow Fijians a great national moment, the kind of moment that occurs so rarely in a lifetime. As Fiji's national anthem played for millions across the world, we as a nation all felt enormous pride and emotion. Moments like that are truly special. But it is not only the victory itself that we are here to celebrate. We are here to acknowledge the challenges you have overcome and the sacrifices you have made. We are here to celebrate the years of hard work, of dedication and perseverance that went into winning that gold medal. You are a shining example of these virtues and a worthy role model for our youth. This house, therefore, is a token of Fiji's gratitude for what you've given to us, for the inspiration and the pride, certainly, and for the lesson that with determination and resolve, no feat is impossible. I would like to acknowledge the efforts of both the RFMF engineers and Housing Authority staff who collaborated on this project.
I want to thank the government of the state and the people of this nation for contributing to this home, and in the explanation also to not only sportsmen and women, everyone working hard, and it will be a success and always be rewards waiting for them.